Good morning, children. Today in this class I am going to do example 4, 5, 6, 7 in page number 97, 98 and 99 pages. Okay. Now let us see the example 4. Example 4 is the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find angles of a triangle. Okay. Now the given ratio between the angles of a triangle it is 2:3:4, and now we have to sum all the given ratios. Sum of the given ratios. All the given ratio. 2 plus 3 plus 4, it means 9. Okay. From angle sum property of a triangle, sum of all angles of a triangle equals to 180 degrees. Sum of all angles in triangle equals to 180 degrees. Therefore first angle is, now we have to find out the first angle. Here they have given two parts of first angle. Okay, two parts out of how many total parts? 9 parts. 2 out of 9. Okay, into what is the total angle of sum of angles in a triangle? 180 degrees. Okay, 9 ones, 9 twos, zeros. 9 2. Okay, 9 20 is 180. Then it will be written as 2 into 20, 40 degrees. The first angle is 40 degrees. Now second angle. Second angle in a triangle is, the second angle parts is 3 parts. They have given 3 parts. 3 by 9 into 180 degrees. 9 ones, 9 twenties. Again, here 3 into 20 means 60 degrees is the second angle. Okay, now let us see the third angle. Third angle equals to, they have given 4 parts. They have given 2:3:4, that is like 4 by 9 into 180 degrees. 20 degrees, it means 20 into 4, 80 degrees. Okay, here these are the three sides of the angles of a triangle. 40 degrees is the first angle, 60 degrees is the second angle, and 80 degrees is the third angle. Okay, once again I am saying the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find the angles of a triangle. The given ratio between the angles of a triangle is 2:3:4. Now we have to sum all the ratios, then we will get total parts. If you add all the given ratio value, then we will get total parts of a triangle. Okay, sum of all angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. Then the first angle is 2 parts out of 9 parts. Okay, 2 by 9 into 180 degrees, it means 40 degrees. The second angle 3 by 9 into 180 degrees, it means 60 degrees. The third angle is 4 by 9 into 180 degrees, it means 80 degrees. Okay, now see the example 5. find the value of angle x in the given figure. Here the given figure is okay. Find the value of the angle x in the given figure. Okay. Suppose if you see the given figure, here the line segment AB and here triangle, we can find EBC is the triangle and just AB is the line segment which touches the line segment EDEC. Okay. Here we have to find the x angle. Okay. If you observe these two lines, here AB and CD are both are parallel. Okay, they both are parallel. That is why if any two lines are parallel, then the alternate interior angles are equal. Then here also how much angle? Here FB 73 degrees. Since AB and CD are parallel lines, so the angle at C also 73 degrees. Okay. Now from since AB is parallel to CD, then alternate interior angles equal. So angle B equals to angle C equals to 73 degrees. Okay. After getting the C value, then here we can see the triangle EDC. From triangle EDC, sum of angles in triangle ADC equals to 180 degrees. Here all the angles in triangle are equals to 180 degrees. What are the angles? Angle E plus angle C plus angle D equals to 180 degrees. Then here angle E is x degrees plus angle C equals to 73 degrees plus angle D equals to 40 degrees, 180 degrees. Then next x degrees plus 113 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then here x degrees equals to 180 degrees minus 113 degrees. Then x degrees equals to 67 degrees. Okay, this is the value we have to find out. Okay, now once again I am saying find the value of angle x in the given figure. Okay, they had given the figure. In this figure, line segment AB and CD are parallel. Okay, since the AB and parallel lines, from the parallel lines, then alternate angles are equal in the parallel lines. So here angle B equals to angle C. Then angle C also equals to 73 degrees. Then we can easily find out the other angle near triangle. Why? From the angle sum property of a triangle, we can easily find out the third angle in a triangle. Okay, in this way, after finding the third angle, the x degrees equals to 67 degrees. Okay. From triangle ADC, as all the sum of angles in a triangle ADC equals to 180 degrees. Okay, the angles which are present in the triangle ADC are angle E, angle C, and angle D. Here angle E equals to x degrees, C equals to 73 degrees, D equals to 40 degrees. Then its sum equals to 180 degrees. Suppose if you sum 73 plus 140, it is 113 degrees. Then x degrees plus 113 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Okay, suppose if you transform this 113 to the other side of equals to, then we will get x degrees equals to 67 degrees. Okay. Now let us see the example 6. One angle of triangle ABC is 40 degrees. Other two angles are equal. Find the measure of each angle. Measure of each angle in a triangle. Okay. Now let us see the problem once. One angle of a triangle ABC equals to 40 degrees. Other two angles are equal. Other two angles are equal. Find the measure of each angle in a triangle. Okay. Now let us draw the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC here. Suppose if it is A, B, C, these are the angles in a triangle. Here both are equal. Let us assume that these two angles are x degrees, and here they had given one angle is 40 degrees. Okay. From triangle ABC, let angle C equals to 40 degrees and angle A equals to angle B equals to x degrees. Okay. This is the given condition. Okay, now we have to find out the all three angles in a triangle. Okay, from angle sum property of triangle, from angle sum property we can write all angles in a triangle equals to sum of all angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. Then here angle A equals to x degrees, then angle B equals to x degrees, then angle C equals to 40 degrees equals to 180 degrees. 2x degrees plus 40 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Here 2x equals to 180 degrees minus 40 degrees. From this 2x degrees equals to 140 degrees. Then x degrees equals to 140 degrees divided by 2. It means 70 degrees. Here x equals to 70 degrees. 70 degrees. Okay, once again I am saying one angle of a triangle ABC equal to 40 degrees. Other two angles are equal. Then find the measure of each angle in a triangle. Okay, from triangle ABC, firstly, before we have to draw a triangle, and let us assume that angle C equal to 40 degrees and angle A and angle B are equal. Then from triangle ABC and from sum angle sum property of a triangle, we can write all the sum of angles of a triangle equals to 180 degrees. After substituting the values, we can get the x values. Okay, x is 70 degrees. Suppose here angle A equals to 70 degrees Finally, angle B equals to 70 degrees, angle C equals to 40 degrees. Okay. Now, let us see the seventh example. Let us see the example 7. Okay, the problem is in the given figure, D and E are the points on the sides AB, AC of a triangle ABC such that DE is parallel to BC. If angle B equals to 30 degrees and angle A equals to 40 degrees, then find the first one is x degrees, y degrees and z degrees. Okay. In this problem they have given one figure. In this figure, E and D are the points on the sides AC and AB. Here DE is parallel to BC. Okay. Now we have to find out x, y and z degrees in the given triangle. Okay. The first one is the first problem. How to find out the x degrees? Here if you see here angle B equals to 30 degrees. So the corresponding angle is x degrees. Okay. Since DE is parallel to BC, then angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D equals to 30 degrees. Here it means angle D equals to x degrees, it means 30 degrees. X equal to 30 degrees. Okay. This is from corresponding angles in a parallel lines. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay. From the parallel lines DE and BC are the parallel lines. So if you see the corresponding angles at D and angle at B, both are equal. So here they have given angle B equal to 30 degrees. Then here x equal to 30 degrees. Okay. So x degrees equals to 30 degrees. Okay, now let us see the second one. Okay. How to find out the y degrees? Here we have find from triangle ABC. Suppose if you see this is the triangle ABC. Here only one angle is unknown angle. So from triangle ABC, from angles of property of a triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. Okay, from this angle A equals to 40 degrees, angle B equals to 30 degrees, angle C equals to y degrees. Then it is equals to 180 degrees. 70 degrees plus y equals to 180 degrees. Then y equals to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. From this we can write then y equals to 110 degrees. Okay. In this way we can find the y value. Okay. After finding out the y value, here CB and BC and DE are both are parallel lines. Okay. Here these two also corresponding angles. Angle y and angle z are corresponding angles. So the third one is since and BC is parallel to DE, from corresponding angles are equal. In corresponding angles, from corresponding angles, here angle C equals to angle E. Angle C equals to angle E. Okay. Here angle C equals to, it means y degrees equals to, from that y degrees equals to z degrees equals to 110 degrees. Okay. In this way we can find out the x, y, z in the given figure. Once again I am saying, in the given figure D and E are the side points on the sides of a AB and AC of a triangle ABC such that D is parallel to BC If angle B equals to 30 degrees and angle A equal to 40 degrees, find x, y, z in the given figure. Okay, here they have given two parallel lines that are DE and BC. Suppose if you see BC and DE are parallel lines, so the corresponding angles, angle B equals to angle D, so here x equal to 30 degrees. After that, if you see the triangle ABC, here 40 degrees, 30 degrees, the remaining angle, from angle sum property of a triangle, if you add all the three angles, then they will equals to 180 degrees. So 40 plus 30 plus 70 plus 5 degrees. Y degrees plus 70 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then y equals to 110 degrees. Okay, if you see, yeah, these two lines are parallel. So line AE and BC are parallel lines. So they are the corresponding angles at C and angle E are equal. So angle y equals to angle Z are equal. Okay, already we have find the angle y equal to 110 degrees. So Z equals to 110 degrees. Okay. In the next class we will see about exercise problems. Thank you, children.